As a business owner, you need to have and use the best software in your business. That's one of the best ways to maximize your business productivity and profitability anytime, anywhere. So I want to welcome you to the Business Communications Duel. We're comparing 800.com versus Grasshopper to determine which virtual phone system is best for your business in 2026. Let's break down the data. Before we get started, let me ask you, why should you choose a virtual system for your business? The simple answer is, it allows you to separate your personal and business calls while projecting a professional corporate image, all accessible from your smartphone. 800.com is the vanity specialist. It's a marketplace and VoIP powerhouse that focuses on maximizing brand recall with toll-free and vanity numbers. It provides a full VoIP experience with dedicated desktop and mobile apps. Grasshopper, on the other hand, is the entrepreneur's choice. Built for small businesses and solopreneurs, it offers a big company feel without complex hardware. Its main features are simple call forwarding and a robust auto attendant for effective caller routing. We'll compare these two services based on 3 pillars: vanity inventory, call control features like recording and analytics, and the value factor, comparing flat rates versus per minute usage and scalability. In the number game, 800.com boasts a large inventory of vanity 800, 888, and 877 numbers. Grasshopper, however, is praised for its simplicity, offering standard numbers and fast setup for those needing a quick, functional business line. In terms of pricing and value, 800.com starts around $19 per month with 1,000 minutes and includes call recording on all plans. Grasshopper, on the other hand, is cheaper at $14 per month, offering unlimited minutes on its standard plan, but call recording is limited to higher tiers. When it comes to user experience, 800.com is a full VoIP platform with data-driven apps for direct calls. Grasshopper, on the other hand, is primarily a forwarding service, using mobile minutes for calls, making it simpler but less tech-heavy. 800.com's strengths include an elite vanity number inventory, robust call tracking, and modern desktop and mobile apps. Weaknesses are that it can be pricey for multiple numbers, has a steeper learning curve, and a higher starting cost for small to medium enterprises. Grasshopper shines with its very simple setup, predictable flat rate pricing, and excellent auto attendant system. Its weaknesses are no deep CRM integrations, being primarily call forwarding based, and limited advanced analytics. In my opinion, you should choose 800.com if you need a specific vanity number and deep data analytics for your sales team. On the other hand, you can choose Grasshopper if you're a solopreneur looking for the simplest way to add a professional line. I have dropped links to both software in the description of this video. Visit each of them to try them out for yourself. Thank you for watching today's video. Check the description of this video for a link to the full article. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more software comparisons. Until next time, I want to encourage you to keep building and exploring unique softwares with me as we grow together. Check out other videos here, and I'll see you in the next video.